A thought just appeared, and something knew it. What was that? Not another thought, but the knowing behind it. Thoughts come and go, but the knowing stays. You are not the thought. You are what knows it. What knows the thought? A thought is happening right now. But who's thinking it? You assume there's a thinker. Find him. Look for the one producing the thoughts. You may notice how thoughts just appear on their own, and the thinker was only ever another thought. Who is thinking this?